Good morning, Coryell's class.
Good morning, Dr.
Integers and number lines, chapter 3, lesson 1. Can you guys use a number line to compare, add, and subtract?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that. We know an integer is a whole number and it's what?
Opposite.
If you have a positive number, so let's say we have a number line and we have a positive number, what side of 0 is the positive number going to be on?
Bigger than the
It's going to be on the bigger side, right?
Yeah.
Which is also the door side in our classroom, or just the right side, yes? If you have a number that is smaller than 0, that is what kind of number?
Negative.
And what side of the number line is it going to be on? The left side, or towards the cabinet, right? Okay, if you're thinking about our classroom. What does this symbol right here mean?
Less than.
And we know this symbol means less than because if I take that symbol and I turn it, what does it look like?
L.
And then the other one, we can't really turn it to make an L, so we know that symbol means what?
Greater than.
Greater than. Everybody's answering my questions, right? Number 5. We have 3 words in highlight. Why? They're key words, and they tell us if a number should be either this or this, right?
Yeah.
What is this or this? Positive or negative. Do positive numbers actually have to have a plus in front of them?
No.
Nice job, guys. Nice job, girl. On a number line, if you go this way on a number line, which way are we heading?
Positive.
And what is happening to the numbers? What are they getting?
Bigger.
If we go this way in a number line, we're heading towards what kind of number?
Negative.
Negative numbers are smaller numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, look at this number line right here. Just look at what I circled. Everyone see what I circled?
Yeah.
Let's just say that's the only thing you can see. I know you can see other things. What is that graph telling us? What is this number line telling us? Where 4 is. Literally just telling us where 4 is, right? Okay, so let's try that again. Look at this number line right here. If this is the only thing you can see, what is this number line telling us? And we know that it's telling us where the negative 2 is because what's that thing called right there?
A bullet point.
A little point or just a point? Yep. Okay, cool. When you make a number line, do you have to put every single number on a number line?
No.
Can you skip count?
Yes.
Well, okay, tough question here. If I put a tick mark right there, what number do you think that is?
2. No. 6.
What's right in the middle of 4 and 8?
6.
6. So if I go right in the middle of 4 and 8, then it's probably going to be the number that's in the middle of 4 and 8. Okay, eyes are still up here, yes? Can you use a number line to add or subtract?
Yes.
What number do you, so if I have this equation, what number should I always start with?
3.
3, because 3 is the first number in the equation, right? And what am I adding to 3?
2.
So how many bunny hops should I do?
2.
So I start at 3, I put my point there, and I do 1, 2 bunny hops. Where do I get to?
5.
So we all know 3 plus 2 is 5, but I care more about the fact that you can show me how to do that on a number line, right? So if it's positive, you're going to what direction?
Right.
If you're adding, you're going to the,
Right.
but if you're subtracting, which ways are bunny hops going?
Left.
So on this one, we are subtracting, so our bunny hops are going to the left, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Last thing, inequalities, they help us tell if a number is bigger or smaller, right? So what's bigger, 1 or 3?
3.
3, because the inequality always eats the
Bigger.
bigger number, right? On a number line, what is further right, the 1 or the 3?
3.
On a number line, what's further right, the 6 or the negative 4?
6.
So the 6 is bigger, right?
Yeah.
On a number line, it's a tricky one. What's bigger, negative 11 or negative 2?
Negative 2.
And it's further right on the number line, right?
Yeah.
We cool?